Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing Little Global Citizens. This is a monthly subscription that sends you a package of travel themed items for children. So let me explain the premise. So this is curated by a mother and father who love to travel, had children, and then wanted to be able to share travel with children. So each month covers a new country. And it's just a way for you to experience travel, because traveling with kids is hard. We all know that. I've tried it. We've done it. We want to wait now for like 10 or 100 years. So anyway, this is a great way to do that without having to leave your house. $38.95 monthly. They do have a reduced prices for longer subscription terms. I will link down below to my full review. We'll do the stuff in the box, all that. I'll also link to Little Global Citizens so you can check them out. I do also have a unique coupon code, and I'll share that with you guys as well. So you open it up and you have this right on top. I have Not a Tree 15 that gives you 15% off. I will put that down below. So it says here, nurturing open-mindedness and compassion in children by introducing them to cultures of the world, one country at a time, which is a really cool premise. Little Global Citizens is the only subscription box that takes children on adventures around the world, focusing on the culture of a new country each month. Great for 3 to 7 years old. So this is the Thailand box. This is the May Thailand box. They are sold out for next month, which was Kenya. So anyway, I am excited because, as you guys know, I had to go diffuse a situation. Oh my. So if you've been watching my channel long enough, you know that Thailand, it has a special place for me because it's where my stepmother is from. She's from Bangkok. So this, I was so excited. I actually knew this. I talked to the woman that curates this box, and when she said Thailand, I was like, oh my gosh. All right, so it comes with this. Welcome to Thailand. This is for the adult. This guides you through the box. Talking diversity. Now, we're not going to go too in-depth with what's going on because I'm going to save that for the review. So this is what's inside, how to use it, Thailand fun facts, and then Toy is from Thailand author with, oh, it's a book. So there's that. Welcome to Thailand, the land of smiles. You open it up. My name is Kanika, so you meet somebody from Thailand, which is so cool. Oh my gosh, so how cool. So she writes a little letter to your child and explains what a day in her life is like, which I think is awesome. All right, so here we have, this is the actual meat of the package. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I love these stickers because they're so cool. Little Global Citizen stickers. How cute are they? All right, so our first item, I'm going to show you guys, because I know you get mad if I don't show you, like, the drop down into the box. Toy is from Thailand book. So this is written and illustrated by Whitney Badgett. So we can see here the elements. You've got the elephant. Sawadee ka. So it's signed as well, which is really cool. Oh my god, this is so cool. Oh, so it's like walking you through. Sawadee, my name is Idapan, but everyone calls me Toy. In Thailand, most children are called by their nicknames. I live in a teakwood house in Bangkok, the capital of Thailand, with my mom, dad, and little sister, Lek. I actually know somebody named Lek. She's a friend of my stepmom. My sister and I go to school 5 days a week. My dad takes us. So basically, the story just walks you through a day in this little girl's life, which I think is really cool. I think this is so cool. So anyway, there's that. So this is a great, and I think every box comes with a book. This is just a great way for your child to see that other cultures have differences, yet how similar they actually are, and how children are all the same in that they just want love, you know? Okay. Then we have a lollipop. This is a coconut lemongrass lollipop from Pamplemousse Sucre, an artisan lollipop. I don't know that I'm going to give this to my kids. No, just kidding. All right, so then we have, okay, here we have something put together. Songkran Festival, a water balloon game. Songkran Festival is the Thai celebration of New Year in April. Historically, the Buddhist festival involves the sprinkling of water to symbolize cleansing and purification at the start of a new year. In modern Thailand, people enjoy a 3-day celebration that has now turned into a national water fight. So in here, I'm guessing there are water balloons, oh yeah, some twine, Looks like a clothespin, and ooh, so that should be fun. It's actually finally getting hot here. We've had like 700 rainy days, and kind of today was like lawn day, but I hope it rains so that we don't have to do it. How terrible is that? So there's one of our little activities. Then we've got Pong Nong Yang. Kids in Thailand like cars, dolls, balls, trucks, dress up, and ubiquitous cell phone as much as kids in America. So this is a rubber band game. And here I'm guessing, and here are some rubber bands. So, and what's really cool here is this game teaches concentration, gross motor skills, social development. That was a weird noise outside. Cause, effect, and language development. And then on the back, it teaches you the rules of the game. So that is really cool. I'll keep that together. Okay, then we've got, ooh, lotus flower. So we're going to be making a clay lotus flower. Oh, I love this idea. So in here, I'm guessing is modeling clay. There's a little brush poking out. Oh, I'm excited for this. All right. Oh my goodness. I love that it started off with this. Then we've got elephant, why elephants are important in Thai culture. And then we're going to be making a hanging elephant garland. And inside here, I love how it's all, like, there's no confusion. I love when children's boxes do that. There's some paint. There's some little elephant cutouts, twine. Ooh, that's going to be so cute. I can't wait. So there's that. All right, well, there's tons of stuff in here, like tons. So now we're at like, what, 5 activities so far? You could spread this out over a whole month. And then here we have some postcards. This is the flag, this Thailand national flag. So it tells you a little bit on the back here, some facts about the flag. And then you have these postcards that you can color in like the Thai flag, which I think is really neat. And I think I'm going to have my kids do these and send them to my stepmom. I think she would really like that. So that's really cool. So let's move along. I love this. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right. All right, that's our eco package thing. Garuda. The fearsome Garuda is a national emblem of Thailand and is called Prakrutpa. The Garuda is a bird-like mythological beast of the Hindu and Buddhist tradition. According to mythology, the Garuda is a large hybrid half-man and half-bird creature. So these are coloring pages. How many did I get? Oh, perfecto! I got 5. I have 4 kids, so that works out well. Ooh, there's food. All right, so a Thai dinner party. This explains how a Thai dinner goes. Now this is sad. It's like, oh, you got to find an Asian food grocer in our area. I lived in DC, and you guys know that, and those are like all over the place. I have none. The closest I have is a very, very small shop about 30 minutes away, which I can go to. But then they give you a mango sticky rice recipe, which is superb. We do have some Thai dishes incorporated into our mealtime, which is nice. And then it just goes over the dinners, which is a lot of curry and stuff like that. All right, so our final item in here. I mean, I really just, there's a lot of food. I'm not saying like, oh, it's just curry. No. All right, I don't want to sound like that. All right, so here we have a little, oh my goodness, a little toy car. OMG, it's a taxi. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, look at the colors. I love it. How cool is that? I love it. Oh, and I love the box. I think I'm going to keep this, like, as a keepsake. Right? Like, I don't want to get it all messed up like that, you know? Anyway, what do you guys think? I love this. This is such a cool idea. If you're interested in the full review, I'll link to that below. I'll also link to Little Global Citizens and also with my coupon code so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!